Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use emojis in Monopoly Go. So once you've opened up Monopoly Go, in order to see where your emojis are, you're going to go to your menu, which is in the top right corner. And then after that, you're gonna scroll a bit down to My Showroom, and then you're going to tap on My Showroom, and it will open up, it will first open up tokens, and then right next to that, there will be shields, and right next to shields, emojis there at the end. So by default, everybody has this emoji right here. But in order to use it in action, for example, maybe in a bank heist, you're going to play the bank heist as so, and then after you're finished with that, and it says here that you stole from this person and you won this much, if you look over to their profile picture, you are going to see that there's this little emoji icon. And if you tap on that and open it up, you will be able to place an emoji like so. So that is all. If this video was helpful, go ahead, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.